Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to unlink TikTok business account. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open the TikTok app on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to the home page. Then, you just need to get to your profile page by clicking on the profile icon at bottom right corner. Once done, tap on the hamburger menu at the top and select Settings and Privacy. Now, if you go to Account and try to switch to a personal one, you can see that there is an error stating that you will first need to unlink from the business account. Now, in order to do that, get back one step and access Security. Inside it, tap on Manage App Permissions and you will be able to find TikTok Business inside it. Here, tap on it and then tap on the Remove button. It will then confirm the action. Simply tap on Remove and you'll be good to go. So that's basically how you can unlink TikTok business account. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.